Greedy everyone, I'm Donald Bowles, the deaf photographer and filmmaker. Today I would like to share with you the studio photoshoot for the album cover of the music artist YourHIGhness. The shoot was part of the vision board project aimed to capture the extent of the upcoming album OG. The photoshoot took place at the Lake Rock Studios, and we utilized various props to enhance the overall appreciation of the shoot. The artists wear a beautiful black dress followed by long black gloves and high heels. I used the fujifilm GFX 50X Mark II and the GF45 to 100 f4 length to capture the main shoot, while the BTF photo was captured by the fujifilm H2S with the Tamron 17 to 70 f2.8 lens. The lighting gear included the Godox QT-600 with a 7-foot parabolic umbrella, Red Sky I-93, and the Godox AD400 with a strip box and the ST16 flash trigger. The focus of the photo shoot was to achieve a high-key lighting style, and the image was processed using a combination of Capture One Pro, Adobe Camera Raw, and Photoshop. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already, please check out my previous video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more exciting content. Salute.